How to create a wavy line design in Affinity Photo. Useful, a grid. So go to View and Show Grid and go to Grid and Access Manager. Just create a grid because you can create a regular design then. Go to the pen tool in Tools panel. Go up here to the mode and you've got the polygon mode. I always call it zigzag mode, but it's not, it's polygon mode. And you just can add points across like this and do it in a zigzag, which is why I always call it zigzag mode. And you can just go all the way across. And also, if you want, you can go down. So I'm just going to go down there and down there and there. And I'm just going to go over here to the node tool. I'm going to select them all. Now you can see they're all selected, all got blues there all the way. And you can just go up here. There's actions. There's quite useful actions. You can just go there to the smooth. However, it does actually smooth a whole lot, which is not what I want exactly. But again, I can go over here to the node tool and I can select that node. And I can go up here to convert. I can just go back to sharp. Now it's not perfect because there's still another couple to do there. So I'm just going to move that. I'm not trying to just, oops, there. I want it still to be nicely curved. And likewise that one as well. And again, just move that up to there. Now I've got my line design, give or take fraction of a pixel or two. I can colour it. I can go up to the fill and I can set that to maybe blue. With that design, now what I can do, you can see over here in layers, you've got a curve. And I'm just going to move it slightly up there. I can hold down the Alt or Option key and you can find that on the keyboard. Depends if you're working on PC or Mac. And then simply just drag down and just repeat that a couple of times. Now, obviously at the moment, they're all the same colour. So a useful panel is the swatches. And you can just then go, and there's recent colours. You can see I've just got all the blues there. So I can simply select the blues. So I'm singing the blues. And I can just quickly go that one there and that one. And so you get a nice set of blues for a nice sort of sea sort of look. Very quick and easy. But of course, once you've got that, they're just layers. You can right click and you can group them. So they're all grouped now, single group. I can also add adjustments. So I can always go to layer, new adjustment layer, and maybe down to, let's go for recolor. Just as good as any. Recolor the whole thing, which is not exactly what I want, but you can always go use blending modes, run through those, or you can use, probably even better, HSL. So layer and new adjustment layer and HSL. And then you can just change the colours of those. And you can obviously get a nice orange design without needing to go to blend modes and all run through that. But again, you can do exactly the same. And I love blend modes. So you can go for difference, linear, and so on and so on. Create all kinds of different colourful designs. And you can change this as well. But you can always undo, go back to just the standard blue design like that. And of course you can still continue to modify it. So you click that curve and then you just go down here and change the colour. Click that one, maybe make it red and so on and so on. So you don't have to keep that colour scheme in any shape or form. And of course what you can also do, you can alternate maybe black and white, black and white, black and white. You can also apply effects. So you're going to go to filters, maybe a blur, Gaussian blur, and just apply a blur to the design. Remember to click apply. And you maybe select another one and then apply again that one. Unfortunately, you can't do the repeat because, of course, it's a vector design and it needs to just go back to the Gaussian blur again and you can apply it there and so on and so on. So you can create all kinds of slightly more unusual designs with your wavy design like that. I hope you found this tutorial of interest. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.